Well, hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are looking at my most favorite Swiss Army knife, and this is a long-term review of this specific knife because I've had this for a number of years. So more specifically, this is the Victorinox Forester model and it's the 111 millimeter length size. And why is it my favorite? Well, it just fits so nicely into my hand, and even when you got the main blade out, you know, the ergonomics of it just feels very fantastic in my hand. But what's the other thing that I like about this is the fact that the main blade locks with a liner lock right here. And on the other side, we've got 12 functions in total of this knife, but our bottle opener also locks with the same liner lock. So there's both of those that are both locked. And on the other side, we've got our can opener, small screwdriver, our bottle opener, and wire stripper. But yeah, the biggest thing I like about this knife is the fact that is the length of this main blade, sort of like I'd say a more drop point blade. So I like the length of it, and the fact that it locks in place I find extremely useful. But looking on this underside, we still have to look at this wood saw, and this is possibly the best wood saw I have, because this thing just goes through wood like a hot knife through butter. And what I've, in my own personal experience with this knife over the years, it just completely slices through any sawing job of wood you got, and I've never had it bind up on me or get stuck. It's just very efficiently helped me harvest firewood and everything else, and that's just fantastic. So to finish the overall review on this, we've got our corkscrew opener on this end and our reamer. This reamer doesn't have the sewing hole, but still. And of course, toothpick and tweezers with our lanyard hole. So in all, getting back to the long-term review on this, this main blade holds its edge extremely well, and it's been very easy for me to maintain and sharpen, and that is it. It has just been an absolutely useful pocket knife to have, and it is without a doubt my most favorite Swiss Army knife. So to conclude, what are the things I love most about this and this specific model? Well, it has to be the length, the larger pocket knife, being the 111 millimeter. I love the length of the main blade, and the fact that it locks in place. And of course, for me, the biggest thing is the saw. It is without a doubt one of the best saws I've seen, and even with very large diameter woods, this saw just goes through it like a hot knife through butter. So stay tuned for some close-up photos, and stay tuned for some more reviews as we as we review more knives. So, hope you all have a good day, and we'll see you all soon.